Are you seeing a measurable return on your stock control? Stock control isn't just about running an inventory system. It's about collecting and interpreting accurate data you can rely on every day. At Venas, we go beyond the basics. Our experienced and accredited stocktakers not only gather accurate on-site data, they expertly interpret it, bridging the gap between your frontline teams and your leadership strategy. A fresh pair of eyes, real people with real-world insight, not just tech. Whether you need regular stock takes to keep things on track, training to sharpen your team's skills, stock loss diagnostics to uncover hidden problems, or a stock valuation at the point of sale, we support you at every stage. Our food and beverage business support services integrate seamlessly with your existing systems. We're fluent in every EPoS platform, and we offer our own online reporting too. We'll benchmark your performance site to site and across the wider industry, delivering clear, insightful reports at every level, and we don't stop there. You'll have a dedicated account manager focused on your business goals, a contact centre ready to help your teams get the most from every report, and BIIAB accredited stocktaking partners empowering your people on the ground. Venas Stock Control gives you clarity, confidence and control so you can transform your food and beverage operations and grow your profits.